So state commission appointed by the state government in consultation with the central government. State level commission is appointed by the state government in consultation with the central government regarding the state consumer disputes as well as protect the interest of the consumer against the unfair method of practices or any deficiency of the services of the consumer. So the State Consumer Protection Council is also known as State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, also State Commission. So the State Level Consumer Protection Council is named as State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, or also called a State Commission. So these organizations are appointed by the state government in consultation with the central government for what means to protect the consumer against the unfair method of practices and the activities of the unscrupulous traders, and if there is any defective in the qualities of the goods and services or deficiency in the services. Then members, there is one president. The president of the state level commission appointed by the state government, who is the judge of the High Court. The judge of the High Court appointed by the president of the state level commission by the state government, and two other members similar to the district forum. The two other members are also appointing who have experience, who have knowledge about solving the problems relating to commerce, economics, accountancy, public administration, and other relevant field. So one member shall be a woman. So two members and one president. The state level commission consists of one president and two members. One member shall be a woman. So both the members shall have the qualified or in the experience in the field of the commerce, accountancy, economics, then public administration, industries, and etc. In the field of relating to solving the problems, they shall have the experience relating to the problems of various consumer grievances. Then jurisdiction. So the state level commission entertainment within the jurisdiction of the state concerned. So the value of goods and services shall entertained by the state level commission is about 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore. So above 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore, the state level commission can entertain the complaints of goods and services, and the compensation, if any, shall not exceeding of 1 lakh, but above the 1 crore, but above the 20 lakhs. So from 20 lakhs to 1 crore, the complaint can entertain by the state level commission. And another jurisdiction is the state level commission also entertain the appeal against the order passed by the district forum within the state concerned. So any order passed by the any district of the state concerned, he can also entertain. So two things you have to remember. Number one, the value of goods and services above 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore, and the compensation is also the same value. And the second one is the appeal. Appeal means if the person who are not satisfied about the order passed by the district forum, so they appeal with the state level commission. It is also entertained by the state level commission. So members, jurisdiction. Then next one, powers of state level commission. The state level commission has the power to call for the records and pass appropriate order if any dispute before pending in the district forum or the order passed by the district forum. So call for all the records and documents before the pending of district forum or order passed by the district forum has the power to collect the records and keep the evidences or books or documents with his under his custody if they want. For the purpose of the act, the state level commission keep the evidences or books or documents or any other records by under its custody, or to produce the document or to the agencies or the officials wherever they demanded, as well as the officials or the agencies allowed by the state level commission the purpose of this act. So one is produce the document before the concerned officials or the agencies, or to allow the agencies or the officials to examine the such documents. So these are the powers of state level commission. And appellate forum. The state commission may reverse the order or confirm the order of the district forum. If the order previously passed by the district forum, the aggrieved person may appeal to the state level commission. Then this is taken into entertained by the state level commission, call for all the record and inquire about the same matter, and the state level commission may reverse the order if not satisfied about the order of the district forum. In such a case, he may reverse the order of the district forum. Then, if it is satisfied about the inquiry made by the district forum, then order passed by the district forum confirmed by the state level commission. So either confirm the order of the district forum or the reverse the order of the district forum. Then any aggrieved person from the order of the state level commission can appeal for national commission. The order is not satisfied for the aggrieved person, he may go for an appeal with the national level commission within 30 days of the order passed by the state level commission. So within the 30 days of the order passed by the state level commission, the person who is not satisfied about the order passed by the state level commission, he may go for an appeal with the national commission. That should be within the 30 days from the date of the order passed by the state level commission. So this is the second authority for entertaining the redressal program, entertaining the grievances of the consumers. That is state level commission, State Consumer Dispute Redressal Commission, SCDRC. So the other name of the SCDRC, State Consumer Protection Council, as well as State Commission. So in this case, members, one president and two members. So the members may be shall be one woman member. Jurisdiction, the state level commission entertain the complaints up to 1 crore, above 20 lakhs and less than 1 crore. Apart from that, the order passed by the district forum also entertained by the state level commission. Then regarding the powers, he can come for the record for inquiring of the order passed by the district forum and keep the evidences by itself under its custody, and the same should be produced whenever it is required. Then appeal, the state level commission pass an order which confirm the order of the district forum or reverse the order of the district forum. And if any person who is not satisfied about the order of the state level commission, he may go for an appeal with the national commission within 30 days from the date of order passed by the state level commission. So this is the end of the second machinery, which is known as state commission. So already district forum is over, now state level commission is over. Then the next topic is central commission, national commission, that we will use in the next class.